Well, welcome to Mercury retrograde. Yes, Mercury went retrograde, I believe, on the 18th of this month. It's going to be there for 3 weeks, as it is 3 times a year. And when Mercury is retrograde, you get to finish up projects that you've been leaving on the side. You get time to slow down, and I think it's really good because life is speeding up so fast, I can't believe it. So I enjoy these retrogrades. I'm going to talk today about what's coming up in the next year in terms of planetary configurations. But I'd like to tell you too that in slowing down, I've been able to do a lot of research lately. So I have a few things I want to talk about before I get into best dates to get married and stuff. First of all, when we say that the world is speeding up, it's really quite true. I just got a message from a friend of mine, a brilliant astrologer in England, about something he found that originated from New York City, by the way. And it is awesome news that the atmospheres of the planets are changing. And this is due to a scientific research study that they've done. They find that the moon is growing an atmosphere that's made of a compound referred to as natrium, and that the Earth's atmosphere is also changing. There's a gas called HO, which is forming that was never there before. The magnetic fields and the brightness of the planets are changing. Venus, for example, is showing us marked increases in overall brightness. Jupiter has gotten to have such a high energetic change that it's actually a visible tube of ionizing radiation that's forming between its moon. And the planets are having a change in their fields. The magnetic fields are becoming stronger. Jupiter's magnetic field is more than doubled. Uranus's is changing. Neptune's magnetic field is increasing. These planets are becoming brighter. Uranus and Neptune appear to have had recent pole shifts. When Voyager 2 space probe flew past Uranus and Neptune, the apparent north and south magnetic poles were sizably offset from where the rotational pole was, in one case up to 50 degrees. Overall volcanic activity has increased 500% here on Earth since 1975. Natural disasters have increased 410% since 1963. The sun's magnetic field has become 230% stronger than it was before. So all in all, what we're seeing is a lot more than what they just call Earth changes. Actually, it's a solar system change, and it's causing this excited plasmic energy. And we can assume that the increase in this energy is also during the period that we have increases in natural disasters and more earthquakes here on Earth. So like, if you think that your life is speeding up, it's true. It really is. Now, NASA has set their instruments, they had to recalibrate them, I believe, 8 points since 1980 something. So everything's moving fast, very fast, and now Mercury is here in retro to let us slow down a little bit so we can try to keep up with this insanity.